Okay, this is 2006 R1. I've been having these issues. I don't know what's going on, but see if anybody know what's going on with this bike. Yeah, all I do it's cranking, but it's not starting. I recheck all the fuse. I pop out the fuse and check the relays. Somehow it's not starting. Could it be that because the battery is bad? I recharge the batteries too, so it's full. So anything, hit me up.